Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're talking to you about our spider removal tool on the Adapt primary clutches. We got our new tool here. This is made here in Speedwerx. It's a laser cut piece with some CNC machined posts, and then it's TIG welded on here to make a good, nice, sturdy piece. Powder coated nice and black there for you. Replaces the Wildcat part number 0744-117, but it should be the tool for all of the Adapt primary clutches. Really nice piece, nice fit and finish, pretty simple. You know, if you're wanting to disassemble your clutch, do service work, things like that, these three bosses will drop down in these casting marks. You know, you'll have your other stuff in a vise and whatnot too, but you can see that fits down in there nice and snug. And you got a nice couple feet of bar here to give you some good leverage, and you can disassemble and reassemble that clutch if you're working on some shimming stuff. You want to get in there, change out some buttons, rollers, things like that. That's what we got. Retail price is $199.95. Have fun with it.